So here's how to turn your images into PDF on your mobile device. First, you want to open the image that you want to turn into PDF. So for example, this one, and then you want to click on the send button. And then you want to select print. And now at the top where it says select a printer, you should select save as PDF and then press the PDF button on the right side. Some phones might have it as save as PDF already from the edit. Now give it a name. So for example, download file. Now if you go back to the file manager, you should see the download file PDF, which contains our image. Now if you open it, you should see the image inside. And the second method is to use a tool online through the browser. So open your browser and then search for image to PDF and then click on the first link. Now click on select images and select your image that you want to convert to PDF. So for example, I have selected the same image and then click on convert to PDF and wait for it. Now click on download PDF. You can also attach multiple images if you want to. Now it will ask you to assign a Google Drive to download it through Google Drive by clicking the Google Drive here or the Dropbox or whatever. You can also get a direct link. So you can copy this link right here and download it from there. And now if you open the downloaded PDF, you should see your image or images inside. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.